Hello everyone, so if you want to perform a factory reset on your Motorola Edge 50 Pro, first of all we have to turn off our phone. So hold power button and volume up button simultaneously. We will emerge our power off menu, press power off and wait until your phone is gonna be off. Alright, now when our phone was turned off, we gotta press and hold power button right here, if someone didn't know this, and volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding them for a few seconds. Alright, we've got this menu summoned, so navigate through it using the volume buttons, right? And now we gotta find our recovery mode, so confirm your choice by tapping the power button. And now let's wait for our Hello Moto text and no command appear. Alright, after this step, we gotta press and hold the power button, and then while still holding it, we gotta press the volume up button. And as we see, we just summoned our reset menu. So now we gotta find, once again, navigate through it by your volume buttons. Now we gotta find your Vibe Data Factory Reset, tap on it, confirm your choice by tapping on the power button and choose Factory Data Reset. And that's it. Now our phone is clean and reset. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.